Me mamo akwa babio at the bar a year manjuma kasebo isu ewa DLFM 106.9. Bomodiana kame home ewa Facebook ne swe na eye DLFM 106.9 sanya beya kasebo ni mumfoni any videos na no ubetimi ashebi. Afe yento akasebo ne so na eye Ghana Immigration Service for aye operation kase eye nde fiada no pay chesenya asem ketwa eye Ghana Immigration Service officers for bomodia ekokwo ye zabu zongo eye nima aboso kan ene eye obi chebi eye run about onom e bomodia momunsa koka eye nipa beye 2241 acheso no mo na momonten so anomo stress rade wo ho no eye mofra ani penifo monsaka wom eye 909 a emu 384 eye mbema sanso ana 525 eye mba na nkwala monsaka wom eye 1332 a emu 577 eye mbema ana eye 755 eye mba mabomodin a etimi afa wom edi omakọ eye Ghana Immigration Service omo headquarters na ye ICI Michael Amuakwata ona ye head of public affairs ewa Ghana Immigration Service chirema ya ade asaboni we ekoso ye pa na omu hwehwemu a na chese ye human trafficking ana ekoso wo hono ma ha dwen ye papa so ma mbomodi a ensi wo ha ya ne kwan a ya ade a ede ye nsusanso boni ana ebebro man no sanso ana omodi omakọ ye GIS ye national headquarters so mo bomodi a aye medical screening and sano metimi afomo e de akwamukura na so mapamo wom e de free oman Ghana mesan se so mo bom ho ban na boni biara entimi ento wom and sano metimi apamo wom amoma free oman ni mu e de akọ ana mo ka se eye Ghana mabunu no mo momode na mo mamani nkomade sua so hwe no man kwajeja monten ankwa ankwasrasra de esa da chibi no ebetimi aha mo san se ba human right obia ewobi nti bomode asawu mo obia enkojireja ye monten so enkwasrasra de na bra one eye nsemchofo kasa no eye ICI Michael Amuako ata edi nsem sei edi tuja
the Ghana Immigration Service and an operation that had been sanctioned by the Comptroller General of the service to raid the streets of Accra of foreign beggars and also to disrupt networks of criminal elements and then also to repatriate all undocumented beggars in collaboration with their respective embassies in the country. And then we are to ensure that this operation is conducted in a very humane way in consonance with our core value of respecting the human rights of every individual, be it a Ghanaian or a foreign national. So this morning, early in the day, some teams of operational men from the service descended onto 11 different zones of the national capital to arrest all foreign nationals in locations that we have identified by or through intelligence. We zoned the whole national capital into 11 zones, from Zabuzongo to KIA to Medina, Abokobi, and what have you. And as we speak, we've arrested 2,241 foreign nationals made up of the following: 384 male adults, then 577 male children, 525 female adults, and then 755 female children. All these persons are currently undergoing profiling. When they arrived, we had various tents set up and officers. We have the GI clinic on standby to conduct medical screening for any of them, especially children and old persons who may need medical attention immediately, to take care of them. And the next segment was for them to go through security profiling to ensure, apart from the undocumented ones we are looking for, whether there are persons of interest. For such persons, we'll take them through the normal legal process. Those that are undocumented are engaged in these begging and other criminal activities. Immediately they go to and to the end of the profiling session, buses are ready to convey them to their various destinations. We are in talks again with some of the embassies of these nationals, and they fully support what we are doing. Some of them, a couple of years back, conducted such exercises on their own. So we have their backing, and if any embassy, for that matter, will want to remove.
Eniya wuti ye eye ACI Michael Amwako Ata on the head of public affairs at the Ghana Immigration Service. Yantwa Kasiabone so na Ministry of Food and Agriculture for akoya adoye akoche 1,000 bags of fertilizers at the Amerikafo a omujia vegetables ewo Trazako ene aboko bia no wo denta ene Ghan municipal assemblies no mobomodin ahese feed Ghana program no modi aba no ebetimi aboa na mpuntu nso no etimi aba no ba omusu edua wo man Ghana mu sanse ebeye anika pa so man Ghana yebedi nduane yankasa yedua ewo omanyimu na bra yedwumedie ekoso ana John Dumelo na deputy minister edema food and agriculture edi tudwa na oche mu se ade anade bia no mani eda akuafo omowo mindful for us no chese de bi de ekoso no de enkoye kra no hwa omo so omo nkran cities ahodro no omo so mu huhia so bombom dia ebetimi aboa wom sane ebe omo so na ebe show mu nkran na adwumadi omo di no betimi edi ne ye no madua no ban no sane ebetimi aboa oman Ghana into osho hawa omo so efemu ewo nkran pipri mantama no obo omodin ase de bi de aye ne de wo so obo omodin na otimi ebre omo fertilizers ni bi sane ebe omo so no baye no omudua no ebetimi enyi na yade aban ebo ne homodin ase obehwe sansa ase a emfamra kwan so eno nam so edi ohawo eba no aban bebo modin ahwe sane ebe ye ohawo bia nso so no entimi embo omo nsase a omudua enoba no ewo so din sem say edi tuja
vegetables left and right. Yeah, most of the time they are outside Accra, but and also and you're fine. I'm sure the last couple of years, all driver along the motorway won't say omo vegetables left and right. Oko high tension between Adenta, Yawaso West, Ma West, omo do and omo vegetables under the high tension. Into muhiamwa. The other issues some kinds of muhia tractors nigga home. But Osha feed Ghana policy now. You see farm service centers across the country, and so me lobby say bakubeba between Adenta constituency, Madina constituency, Yawaso West constituency, any Tema West constituency. I shall say to me, almost so equiaphone to me access our farm service centers. Now, Osha farm service centers here, your tractors or your tillers or your seeds were almost so mope busiaka crown benebika, almost so mope agri extension officers no so to me be into Osha Senade na ya free equiaphone so mumbetinase. Omwa omuni momuhu. Fertilizers no waha. Ye bodi ano abegina odiko, wabegina odiko. Yamfan she obi ensa se fabra na fabechiche. And that is how we are going to distribute the fertilizer from now on. We will meet the farmers. Everybody knows each other.
Eniya uti ye Mr. John Dumelo na deputy minister edema food and agriculture. Enwechi ana Mr. Bright Atubondi on national air coordinator edema feed Ghana program no edi tuja no ochre ya dia how bebre na wa agriculture mechanization ne ho to obomodin ahwe so no so how bia efa ho no ene ne mo betimi aye edi abo akuafo no ade obeye se ne ebeye omo so no omo ho ebehenha o
from association cooperatives no who call this assembly now call bisa assembly for them say open cooperative officer they will take you to the corporate officer's office for me cooperatives normally no nipa minimum of 15 members and I started from and the money 15 up to 100 met me for me one cooperative you know each other. And the move for me, our cooperatives now, Mubes set up establish bank account, and our executive members will be elected with the cooperatives. Mube draw letter, and then the members, the size of your farm, as Nina Mube draw, And the me ya me we who catch them say 1 acre of pepper. I know the recommendation. Many nema do I say me the mau and sana obeye 1 acre of pepper. Obeye 1 acre of tomatoes are many nema I say me the mau and sana obeye me 1 acre of tomatoes are ebeboa. And see ye are listening in an area. Then you better me calculate the protocols. Now it's animano abechemu. This year we are not selling anything. 2025 no subsidy. The ebeye
Eni ya uti ye Mr. Bright atubon Diono na national coordinator Edema Feed Ghana program. Yantoa kase abone so na Electricity Company of Ghana for etime PMO ewe energy committee edema mahebedwem ye ndedey kotoni mabosome ne de toso ayedunsia ewo mfimpimienu ene adionunum so momomade anom show musikasem no emfema we mesanse se no kanea no entimi engina ne na so esansika owoso munya no mudidi dwuma ne no mokoye sanse ye Minister for Energy and Green Transition John Jinapo eden sama betudwa ede afa eka hodra omode embo eye Electricity Company of Ghana akache omode ka beye eye 2 billion Ghana cedis no ha adwen emma eye sika so woso omoji free omode omoka no omuntimi engiska no enfree omo enti anankane no entimi engina so na we ne nsema eye Minister for Energy and Green Transition John Jinapo ede etudwa.
Sent us a letter that by 18th they will shut down the plant because we owe them more than $400 million. IPPs alone, we owe them $1.7 billion. And so it's serious. I must be frank with you, Chairman. Today, as I sit here, this morning, my headache is how to get the next parcel of liquid fuel. The fuel we have to take us 2.6 days. We've placed order for fuel, but it has to be paid.
Eniya uti ye Minister for Energy and Green Transition John Jinapo enwechi ana chairman edema energy committee no Emmanuel Bezra edi tudwa no chiemu se oso mobomodi anom hu ne sha asenti asa o hawe ni na etimi aba energy sector honom no mo pekwan ya ohro metimi afaso edi dwuma sane ebeye omo so no enkane anu betimi aye adwuma edi ama wom we na odi tudwa no chirema adenti no manga na mosimu wo sufficient capacity na afenso so no enkane anu entimi engina ne na so ekabia obia ede no kankan na Ghana Water Company for eka amode no momomode a entwa sane ebeye nkane ane so no ebetimi egina so ewo manim na chese dumso no abro so dodo esa na Ghana for ekasa bebre ewo omanyimu yantoa kase abone so na yade omampani John Dramani Mahama MC edema New Jabin North Municipal Assembly no ewe proye mantemu na nipa oyi no Samoa Adongo na ndeda ide ade Municipal Assembly members na bomode no so na MC emfa emma wom na yade ode nsem atudwa na oche ma omampani John Dramani Mahama de asida piesie na ema no sanse wanya gidie wonimu ese ombra na omeye MC emfa ni mpesua so na wondi dwuma emfa emma wom ana ochem so ne omubeye ejuma abom sane ebeye omonso na ba New Jabin North impuntuo ebetimi aba honom na niemo pesa wonye emfemboa adesua isansa adesua de oba omanga na mu a nimdie ane adesua ane edikro omanga na mu nto obehwe se mabune wo honum na mofra wo honu na bebomode atimi asua de sane ebeye adaachi bi no so no ombetimi aye bibi papa ede ama oman no na wotu asa na ose ya pomudin ho nsam so ehu hia no nti wo a wapomudin ehaw na se bia sika bi nti untimi Enquires sabia enkwa nkosho ho yare a eyade no so obeboa na wo ho atimi atol san so ana ogina so na ochesa ho banbo ho nsam de nani so ade hu ye pa san so man de wutim na so untimi embo ho ban ye yade na ade adwendwen ana abeto so nti wa bayi de oni assembly members no ebeye adwuma na emomode aseda kese amom so so mabomode atimi ayi no nti sa de wa bayi MC de obebomode ahwesa adesua apomuden ene ahobanbon ho nsem ebetimi akoso ewe New Jabin North odin nsem say editudwa
education is the cornerstone of every thriving community. As your municipal executive, I will advocate for improved educational facilities and resources. Our children deserve access to quality education that equip them with the skills that they need to succeed in ever-changing environment that we find ourselves in today. I will collaborate with educational institutions, parents, and stakeholders to ensure that every child will excel educationally and socially. Healthcare is another crucial area that demands our attention. Together with my team, we will work towards improving healthcare facilities and services in our municipality, ensuring that every resident has access to quality healthcare without facing any insurmountable costs. Preventing healthcare.
Any wuti ye MC from you know ewe new job in not Samuel Adonko nenu echi anamra sebejani edi man pesuane so na no say Agyei edi boshe etu dwasa ya dio ne Samuel Adonko beye adwuma sane beye ampuntu so no ebetimi aba omompata mu honum no hu ne sane assembly members no ansha amanyoku a Samuel Adonko efri momobo omode ato aba no edi man no kire se ade ampuntu ebetimi akoso sanso na nkabom ewo oman mu ye papa na mpuntu nti ana to abano edi yi Samuel Adongo odi nsem say edi tuja
the nominated candidate Ayura and Federal common 100%, which I say assemblymen and government appointees almost change the development of the constituency. We let's say I don't do 100%. Because here, presiding member for second round, but at the end of the second round, almost to about 80% of our one candidate. I will also about the presiding member. It is assembly have here a seat. The same year, about 4 no, I trained any development. It's another year. The Mutia, I don't know Mutia now. MC Amaya, I said, oh, I'm a new government. Mutia speech now. Speaking this speech, I escaped to the point. When you make a sign, that's straight to the point. I don't go all to MC. But in my speech, they say, new government. NDC, ever see government. I develop government. I said, Chimano, that's the way development. Now almost about it. It's our NDC, and the problem. In the case, now, that is that of the 2028. That is first year. And the party, one the first week, and a big figure. Then the end of the
Eni wuti ye mra shebejani edi ma new job in north nana osei Agyei na manibo ye nsem troni kontin Kofi Obo ana besom yen yentu akase bone so ne da so gina MDDC nominee Omampani John Dramani Mahama wamode na chese Prince Menu Morris de omabomodin ayi ni say district chief executive edi ama Manse West district no esan say assembly members 39 na abomodin eto aba no edi yi na ba kokrampo ankase da bi ompeno omuni na abomodin ato aba no Prince Menu Morris Odin sematuja echemu say yade omuwo gidie woni mu ye nti ana omoto aba no ede ma no nti odi asida piesie ede kwama John Dramani Mahama Ghana Mampani sanso ana assembly members omoto aba no ede yi no na nhyiamu na se no nipa titru for mokoye aban panifo sanso ana nananom ahemfo ene timemfo ni na hyiamu wo honom so mokotan na chi ewo ginasi omuso asise Prince Menu ana mbeye DC emfa emma ana ochese gide omanya wom muni de ade ba Manse West obebo modin aye adwuma ombre kra obemia nani aye bibia sane beya mpuntu obetimi aba honom ono so behe se mabunu no ebetimi anya adwuma aye na omo nso no bibi biara de omani so beso omo nya no da chi bi no obeboa na atimi aba modin sem sei editudwa
Ira John Dramani Mahama ama makonya se me so me sumbo Amansie West and important. Na minia Amansie West one of the districts, I make say one of the largest districts in Ghana. But open district in Zua Sebi, Nkuntua boy said do so about Cocoa, they Amansie West. It's Meniswa Dibu Nana se Mabay. Na mebe boa me, na me manfo so be so me mu. Na ya pe Nkuntu abaha. Minia ufri ekwan su ba minim se onida. Yes. Ade a wa hu se de etie asefem. Ekwan a yede ba manso kwanta nyina no. Minim ba ko pa ye be de nsa be sie wo se we de ekwan we de eye. Ye kwan nyina pro atete apansam. Nenso me ogidie se Yerua John Dramani Mahama tumi a Ghana for de ama no. Ani tumi ono so oponi bi ama me no. Meaning say within these 4 years, manson kwanta kwan, nyame be ya dom, yetima ye yakwan nyina. Ye wi a ya hwe school sem. Oba nkotem ha, secondary school wa ha ye nto aso school, just mienu pe. Na wa ha sei. Nti e meni swade hunu say ye be boa. Ye nya nto aso school ni bi abeka ho. Meaning ade a asefem ni say nursing training, teacher training, university, ye man, ye important ha ye ni bibi etisa.
Eni ya wuti ye Prince Menu Morris omo yi no say district chief executive we ya Amansie West Assembly na enu achi ana tememfo omo ko ho ne na honom ahemfo omo ko hia mu honom enso edi nsem sei edi tudwa
ti meni swadi hu ba ko ne say nyame be fa me so na woboa ne yetimi nya sa institutions ni bi ye de me wakan kakra bi eni je na ba ma na ye de abro so ye me ka kire manson kwanta constituency na se ye de wo mase ye da assembly members na se e wo dwumadi aya obodi e de ama ye na ye se omubo se ye nwu omu anim ase so da ye kwa bi aya e be fa so e beta ye nua Prince Menu Morris na chi bia ama wadi mpuntuo aba Amansie ahanomo no ye be fa so na ya boa ma bibia aye kama yani ye susu ye nyina ne se Amansie West ye be fa ya ntuma pa efra DC na ya oba bedi no enye NDC na ye MPP na ebom aye manson kwanta electoral area na oba behwe ama bibia aye akonkae ye hwa manson ye kwae any idea a problem eni say ye nua enso abai de ye be say de be ya ye be ntutu ye na mpanimfo betima boa ye ama manso kwae no etima ye kama e de ama ye
eni ya wuti ye tememfo omo wo Amansie West Assembly no mu chirema ye Prince Menu Morris omo yi ne de omo ani agye ye pa no mu nim se mpuntudwuma ebetimi aba Amansie West ni enka madwen chire ni bi wo Facebook ni so na we free Kofi Parliament o se o hwekasebo no de free Bobikuma apa sanso ana Master Planner Junior Kintampo o se MPP amanyoko no ana best party wo mani mu na enche bia no obia be hu sendi si amanyoko ne de dumso ne galamsenti no enya dom betimi ebu oman no wensu efreye baba mahama oboase anochirema dollar no sese yakofem na so niema bo no edaso gina de egina na anti aban enye bibi emfa ho ewie na ha anemre be ma mekwan na mede ende omanjuma kasebo no edi esi kasebo num semufo Miss Mabel Entry sanso ana Kofi Taylor ene DJ Omarion ekabo mu ebo omodian ede mi ko Facebook ne so esambobo me voice no ede ema me amede kasebo yi ebesom mu edi ameje so ane Adwoa Agyei Sikapa me sorry suwe na Apakan GH ede ayagropa manso sem ede ebremu makramo
What there? A jungle. That devil. DL Power Sports. What there? A jungle. That devil. DL Power Sports. What there? A jungle. That devil.
Fiada gbe wotro melegbedura no vinyo fogbetofio gama gbado megbanoin sports ye metwogbono yimenko enyu freestyle friday mere kuku no wotro ya la yo madena grona madena mesiame prepomotofio no chome radio adare deal 106.9 sports air dimila ye menoy metwogbono tamere kuku no radio engbade delegia nanenogia anyami ganyobi tuobola ibo no ko ye facebook ke YouTube gbekene hefia no yo minga bo gbekene be she watashe ko woke sports ni ba egbeji freestyle friday mekpa bo fai gbekene ni ochemoko ni moko akemoko ni mofiama ke radio for deal 106 sports no yes more ni watashe woke ba ka ju radio bie hanine phobia we ni bp sports me ni Wakeba Babo. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platforms. Friday evening, we are back on radio. We are bringing you Freestyle Friday. So please don't hesitate to call a friend to tell a friend that Freestyle Friday Sports is airborne live on DL 106.9. Busia mamenyina we so na obuo ahobrasini ni ekwan so ba bibia obia enanwure mema wadwon ema wakwaba emra nkram pumpuni mantemne Ghana ajatum kasa fidie kese ba ko peso DL ohani nsia akiripo enkron fiada anwumre emra wiedu agudi emrante yatenase na wotwemuni nyina agudi emu nsama woro etwetwaguye no yatenase akese na ewomu no ye bedi enwon komo ye besanso ama okwan na wafre aba na wode wadwenkyere ede ababeta ekire we ni atunidin Freestyle Friday ye de babe sumba bibia obia ye ma wadwama wakwaba ene entena nkomo ne ye ne wo ne babedi enti ye din komo ne wia ye de numbers we ebefa mo course enti twro to numbers ye de befa call e Freestyle Friday so no eye 0534 050199 ena 0593 406565 numbers me anyway ene ye din komo wia e be lines na tum na monso ma friend na mo de madwenkyere ede ababeta chinti yatenase Freestyle Friday ni yariba na ebusia se ne yaka Freestyle Friday na watwemuni nyina ensema twitwa wa gudi na kese ne wo no na yafa ne yadi wo nkomo na monso ma befre na mwakire madwena na watwe ensema wodo pina ene etwaguye ewanya gudi no na akese ne wo na yadi wo nkomo no ne edi kan no eye Ghana men's 4x100 relay team na watwe atadwe omote de ene se okopiem Guangzhou China ene omotumi qualify for World Athletics Championship because of Japan Tokyo 2025 ena betuma koso na Barnabas again Joseph Paul Amwa Mustafa Alufa Bopin ena Ibrahim Fuseni emrante etumi eboama Ghana etuma qualify ye kwakopiemu World Athletics Championship ebekoso Tokyo 2025 awbo ben ene ye de konhyehyɛ ben ena ye ne yetumi de akɔ na aboa me yetumi akɔ compete ye di nkomo enne anwumre ede amao ena afenso na hotwe Ghana men's under 20 team no omagye omsamba brutal ene se under 20 men's AFCON eguso ekoso Egypt no quarter final ena host nation Egypt etumi yi enfim 5-4 on penalties meno ka say Ghana under 20 ni yetume fimo inde no AFCON asintin win automatically Ghana under 20 no yentumi qualify enko under 20 men's World Cup Chile now for the fourth consecutive time no under 20 no yentumi qualify enko World Cup. What is the way forward for under 20 no na watwin omaje omsamba yepa ena afenso enwechi no na watwin Kumasi Asante Kotoko legend Wilberforce in Fum Atetenet legend enyane baby koe na watwin pen for hudo pina no ena epe tribute ediama legendary Wilberforce infum atitenet ɛno nso na ɔtwe ɛwonsɛm agye ntreha ɛwɔ nyagudie no ɛna Kotoko a qualified to FA Cup final ɔmo golden kick na ɛbɛkɔ akɔbɔ na ɔtwe ɛwonsɛm ɛtrendi ye pa Hato folk support tabako ye fɛ ne Lazio na brante bɛn ɔtwe mienu ye deɛ ne dia na obi abo adan a abrante ɔhwɛ n'anim a na sɛ very brutal na Lazio LED Hato folk section of the supporters no mo kopie mo ɛwɔ Heart Secretariat adan a almost your managing director Dalali Anku Adiama ontwate wajai ena honorable Vincent Odote Soa eni alaji akambe na ye adwuma ntia be sa Adiamasa onfa adwuma na nto no nko ewonsem ebeye buburuja na wotwe na o granty interview kasa osu kopie won pobima House of Folk number 1 goalkeeper aye frɛ no in the Benjamin Asai ne dan odem kra washroom kra no anyame wo ne nya papa dan bibia anya papa o gini din na otwi pa enya asam ketwa ena fensi yimano ano ekwahye go against Kumasi Asante Kotoko Abrankese okoyi ni Jesse ni na no ne atwo I belong to Jesus ewanim GFA for no say etia football bla omo fine no 500 Ghana cedis abrantense na homosexuality ni ade mo so na me promote Jesus and ambetwema so enwonsam agye ntran na otwi brutal enya asam ketwa ni nyina no yebedi enwon komo edi ama na nsem ayebobo osi empenifo bi achiro madwen edi afan na ende no Mr. Richard Akpokavi na Ghana Olympic Committee omo president or say Ghana 4x100 men relay team no obo mabaso so metuma qualify Edeko World Athletics Championship.
Look, the whole world, how many countries do we have in the world? And we are one of the 14 that have qualified. And that's huge. Sometimes because we don't get a medal, the thing now is very important. It's huge. And I think, first of all, we need to congratulate the athletes for their work, for the hard work and their commitment, and also for the Ghana Athletics for their consistency. Because for the last so many years, they've been consistent in supporting these athletes to ensure that they always go for these relays and qualify for major tournaments. So,
Mr. Richard Akpokavi Esquire, Ghana Olympic Committee president, and Obo Ghana 4x100 men relay team no Obo Mabaso under 20 nefim ewo AFCON as World Cup omunko bi Honorable Kofi Adams or say ye pass under 20 no efim na wo no under 20 team ayewo we si ye hwe omusu ye ne the squad kakra bi ebeka wogidie say ye betima for me under 23 team a next Olympic game ye betima akoni akobo ye morning.
Our team, the U20 team, yesterday painfully were exited from the African Championship at the quarter-final stage. That team is really a very good team, and I believe that it is the team that, when you keep it with few additions, they will grow to become the under-23 that will be participating in the Olympics competition to be hosted again by, I think, United States of America. And when that time comes, I believe football and many other sports will do us some good.
Honorable Idi Kofi Adams, Sports and Recreation Minister, and Watenenka answers Lazio on his supporters. Epam Hasufuk MD, Delali Anku Adiama Efi Secretariat, Mr. Kwabna Infojo Jones, aka Kwabi Jones, ne Kasarema Hasufuk supporters no, or say Sadiana Hasufuk supporters nibi, Lazio di any mamoya and some fata, MD ni ya manajuma, se musu ne juma, enso eni ya munko piemo, ewo board nenim togba fede ne dano, na mon petition en kanjenze MD ne juma nso eni, na se won tata na kolo ki secretariat ni office. Say more money kwa yeduma dia obi anso so saade ne so
the oko MD ona ka so preventing MD so on officer nipa no ya fa ne so me yeduma na o mani yeduma na so yede mi wa na fa ne yeduma untimi ni no yeah supporters we will have our own issues, but I'm not sure say that the right way ni say Yabako Secretary say atu ya mo bi anya yeduma. Indeed, if you have any grievances, then we have to channel it to the board led by his lawyer and his to be affected for it. Now so that's it. Because therefore we go be the finance room. If I didn't cast on yadi, I was saying no, I was on yadi.
Kobe Jones and Watenen can Yimano a nonsense someone Jerome Ochre, Miami Senior or Kofuridia Tech, the Eastern Varsity, the best secondary school in Ghana. Kofodia sector kimbarima mabusu akese na Mr. Jerome Ochre former editor de Kumasi Asante Kotoko Express na Mr. Jerome Ochre ejirima yimano ano we na se oti ase football na eyemra ene ye de waya de emra na di wenye ene ye soso game so na wo promote nyankopon a ye twe so da bi football na mra na ye de enti se obebo board ya ese udi mra no so untumi ntwusu mra wo pese udi so.
So if you want to live in the world, then be ready to face the consequences of promoting Christ. Scientists are now you want to promote Christ within the arena. You say, man, yeah, then don't do it. Because what did Jesus tell the Pharisees when they asked him about obeying Caesar or obeying God? What did he say? Give unto Caesar what is Caesar. And that's what Jesus said. So I'm saying that I'm not a sort of baller. You cannot choose and pick which of the rules you want to obey.
Now, Mr. General Chredin Samsi no say, Adia ya wano ya wa Ghana nkrofo sa GFA4 na anya fair to a branch and den no. Okoye wo yipi o La Liga be bi obeye wo wiase no. Emra ne ni bedi nti anya Ghana. Ena waye na yetwe na so be bi obeye bia no. Aso twe bia no ye de be ma no. Enti football na emra so obebo de anu wadi mra no so.
You have to play by the rules of the game. They are not a year or is it nation? Or England, EPL, or London, you will face the same punishment. So I'm saying that there's no cultural context to this. The context is the law, and the law says you can't do it. You have to play by the rules of the game.
Mr. Jerome, former editor, Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Express, na watren kanti ebusia enkoma we ni yedi Free Star Friday so yam fasida kese yam fama adwuma kuwa ye from Lumba ensupa na Lumba ensupa ye nsu abadwama nso ebusia emode emute kama Food and Drugs Authority aye nhwehwema gye atum so obepie mo Ghana na opensu agina ne naso na ahemfuchinye no ekita na eno ani Lumba ensupa enti ba bia wo na nwumere ya otie mi nsu esa wo no no Lumba ensupa na efiefie mo monom na fenso no enkwala ne kosku a momfa bottle one en show mo bag mu no momfa nko dwumedie bia odi na otwe aye wedding abedin to ene conferences a wodo nyina Lumba nsupa no ena mon serve wase mo amoton so Lumba nsupa no ena monton eni je samne se Lumba nsupa no ye won bottle eni sachet enti nia opebia no nsabeka na odi edi udwuma na bibia aye kama dia ma makacho say anything that comes with the name Lumba, it comes with quality. Enti we remember young kwine emre because daddy Lumba no masa onye ni paketwa. Enti so obegia tumsi yamfa ni di nto ade so no. Ese unse quality enti we no mema yam bon de romre. Lumba nsupa no na ese obia enom. Ya to apeti ba bia obia obenya bi. Dansoma ne mpatem Apietus Lane. Ye be Lumba Sport no Madam Abanya Mecha kache 0557 349401 obenya bi ewo ena Mama Vic Ewo Sport M, Washing B, Ewo Fanko, from Mama Vic, Ewo 0500 680-783. Lumba Nsupa Opebia Tobe Pimo, Ewo DLFM Yakachi Ewo Nkran. Agbogba Janshi, any Wisconsin International University no, ena AD and Shobe Pimo Yakachi ya. Odi Ryan reception or okakwa to abayo bi wakachen so open Lumba Nsupa ni biato. Say a bot wanasa shobe lidiu. Na wenye biato baby bia wo bia pese place order. Ana we enquiry bi for Lumba Nsupa numbers no 0355 0 no about 5 miensa 27 47 57 0555 274757 and 0577 475343 from afar kwame afum account yede ensemble eba DJ Omarion Facebook and YouTube or yat waterfar obenya bi ahwe o DLFM 106.9 and when you bi ahwe no ye DJ Omarion ne nsano adwuma and so ewo Bismarck do say already seated over tenenka ya from ayensu ano de share Apakan GH the Blazed King ye din komo kakra na ya fam course kakra Bismarck do say bra et say
Apakan you agusu share I hope sounds on here
oh nyame adom daddy Lumba onyom yo see ye kurekurem
yeah so name de papa
ye kurekurem Ghana no we live by grace
yes
and o man no say na aye ne de nyame adom na na ye de nam
menim say bibi ewiase bibi be koso because the rate at which days ni dwane no nwanwa Apakan
1 week ne de say adani 3 days
serious because ugbo ni atia na say
and
you know say na yeah renting na is adani bibi if you have one serena tenant ni anu the man omo mutua salaries ni so ne do say na omo so no ntino yaba na kakra bi na nyambo ochina de yabe de aka no na baka me sha asia free has of folk supporter na so my MD ni nkoye adwuma no you see you create on say football no sport bi a mpempi ni yere yakoma ne di akire but I don't think say ubetime overreact say and say enema bi wa see esua from emrofo no say bi menka say omo niam munye nyina ya papa but say broni pese otinta su kokko akire dwumadi anase bibia ota akire a ubon say or the placards or trotro e wo paper so into oba match venue no na wa pagya no wa kire authorities ne discomfort our team no but to go all the way to the secretariat camera see so eka say woman MD nya adwuma I don't think say omo MD ni edini although enkoma every house of folk fans ba nyina ne say MD na say omo nsheda hu ni input as far as the club development is concerned but this is not the right way to go. I think just a more bibia mo be hu to be afede the 14th on him ponkese na mo na akasa what you say but as a mo attacking say antwa ye ntino next time bi anhwe ni mu say san komo na say say dwumadi na mo kodi wono ebeto asosa now imano aveno ego say ano rather abaga you see emra ye kromu ano sebi obi di boni a especially obi akọ ade na say obi ato ahwe obi so ene say mobile money vendors ya di tuo chesi o me de sika chesi o me say hu ko hia say yakochi obi a watwi tuo si odi kwaji obi sika na ya chene na yanom fo bro na bo say ye bro no ebi say atwa mo anya hu mo bra mo unfortunate say imano another sa conversation ni ba bonten na emra although say enema ewiase no enema bi koso a o person fight and ra ye beka say o ye odd one out na me person me ready bibiki tuwa bi ewo IFA bi International Football Association Board no IFAB almost say FIFA rules generally prohibit players from displaying written or printed religious quotes on their equipment such as jersey or short. However, gestures or expressions of faith like the Trinity gesture are not typically penalized. The key is that FIFA rules focus on avoiding the display of slogans, not on restricting religious expression in general. Entino abaga ni tintini ni tietie nyina ne se FIFA say ene ade bia efa osom ho se o twagu jersey mu o twagu pant ne nika na ehye wo no anase mpokura no wo hye atade bi wase a watwagu ma on the foot of play any kwan say wo de sabo ade ne ba bonten and ana DJ Omar project Abrante Efreno Kodi Gakpo o si akama Liverpool. This is Omo FA Cup against Tottenham Hotspur. Ano ko shego ano yi ni jersey no and ni na hye no no watcho I belong to Jesus. And abakan in association football no yes so shego na yi jersey na hye na eno punishment a edeba yellow card. Enti adiwe referee no Emma Abrante Efreno Kodi Gakpo yellow card. Enti after the game no ano mo sanction say yakase adibia religious related quote no eni kwan say yasoso we ye game nim baby Abrante ne dey ba ne say adenti na nei yetime ma LGBTQ fo no edi omo colors eye armband na ekoba ne say ye project na say ye spread the gospel na mo pese mo punish yen FIFA ana akwa na setina na waye ne mra ene wiase we mu no de bia meka say yomo kan say ni papa nche entino Abrante no ana opani ne kan ne say opese obobo ne dia I think say e was say den odimra ne so because Jesus Christ ba wiase no beto my for the first time oko preach was synagogue no by for ne hu no ka chen say this is the son of living God by for enye osofo be Jesus Christ kura ntu ba ye no what you say at the time o kan churo na na cratch bi on boni ahye ne ma on finu hu na hu Yesu ana mo popo otutu o mo kogu apum na sofu pani akum chacha ka se o mo si yanwi praku a sa tama Nyankopon tutu sa on finu mo kogu apum so empata ade bia beba bia o mo hu ni se o maduane praku ne akọ apum empata wi o ma ne ya sa ade a si yanwi praku de ne ni kwan se ya empata nso you get it ena Yesu kan se ade a asuafo no Pharisee-fo no bisan se ehu behia se ye betua eto ede ama Pharisee-fo no ana o ka kire mo se de Kaisar de no mo fa ma Kaisar enti Yesu kura no ba asase su no emra ede odi so pa enti yesra Emmanuel no unfortunate se o pese oye bibi se na backlash e ba bet so ojitu in a good faith na going forward no watimi because if you ask de masa so kura
the word no emrana
yes
and which rest yem players no e say class no educate ommbra no omo bobo no ba omo nimu mra na wo bo no enti anyam once I omo twitwa bet basa na fix game basa because omo nimu mra no enti club officials no so omo taking upon themselves to educate their players on them mra no e bi kro omo nim say bet no omo twa kra na you wrong. Which read the ignorance for players, no? Ignorance.
Yeah.
Ni mumrano.
And you know, an American Emmanuel and already unfortunate dear. Say, Ebia, opesa o preach ya. Oh, the any football and ubetimia call social media handle so ubetimia posti quote and there will be any news and but dear related to football. Omodi omomra eno mhihye de agu ade. So far as I say we adwuma wana say utimi ye den edi bobra me pacho so dimra no so na bibia anso ye den kama na Apakan under 20 team no my disappointed in them papa. This is an Egyptian side that man qualify my tournament ni bio. They only got a chance to be there because of say Cote d'Ivoire and host tournament omo je so mbe hostinia omutimi nya kwan rem. You see? And Kromo like minim penalty shootout here they boy aduan na say den
yet tia de bia na yes penalty ya lack penalty is not lack
you twam ni lack
Ghana penalty e din ya wusa nka Afcon nka ye ni kura ye wo mienu ka for no 2015
ye ni Cote d'Ivoire
omo bo mienu to kire ye be ball 4 to kire na yet Kroma na de bia penalty is lack yankoswa na penalties lack de bia ye be koni akosuni aba
na
yankire technique ni yenja penalties lack
technique keeper player peja ni mu na wato no atwe ni baabi da bi penalty nya lack penalty enya lack technique and the footballers be bobo a ombe take penalty kicker omo nhwe ball no they watch the goalkeeper and do jogging obo say wa peja ni mu kakra keeper onya ye move or the better opposite direction untimi nche penalty afunza wo ba na tisi form na wa bebo ni pum as we many a boys no penalty nya lack bia biem yankwa na de bia be bom paye ana ye mom paye mom masa Nyankopon oye ne ma papa o hospital say gia wo ye ne ma papa.
What is the way forward under 20 or me free me?
That's my friend no de obenya no because players are parody and o sa squad we no do am koe no and sunsanso e be ba ni
ontra na yampa mo no
on ontra but coach no a good mom but me hu ni say ensa bia ya Ghana hangasa no when it comes to selection of players I'm not sure say Apakan coaches ni enya that free role say omutimi select players because where I under 20 or do ambeje sa is it all African games will legon high koshet team ni manipa do say no nya akonya kom we mo bani nyina omo free abrochire ba nyina bench warmers omo mbobom titi bench warmers now look Egypt on went to qualify was okay yam say mo consider early 2 goals fine ma come back abet take can mo kill game Egypt me sure game no say Egypt team way mre you see and Mr. Coach in the keeping on the fine coach or a good coach but when it comes to player selections say ye jai coaches no I mean authorities no mutimi nya free range no mutimi ede adwuma no ma Apakan.
Whether say I know ye Bismarck do say na watenenka Freestyle Friday. Ebusia ma yemfa mo course ne kakra na ye ka bet asema. Now we peja wa beti. Hey Ziggy. Ni aye dey say betting company ni before ambassador.
That's Ziggy Chapa.
I say ye ka players na asem no. On tia say ye ka you 0534050199 0593406565 0534050199 and 0593406565 or friend for the campacho di ni baby akasafi.
Good evening.
Yes sir boss.
We food way tiba like assess.
Mpacho odi ni baby akasafi.
Your family Desmond Kasafi mi short now.
Okay, there's some patch into you.
On say me so minti assess on say guy now or sure I belong to Jesus now will find finance. I mean I don't know whether it's a bad thing. Me say oyama for fun but me teach you mom kakra.
Embrani kaseti say anything related to religious no. Untumi nche go nyi watale nsho sa nyama no. Mati senior yanso ya dase. Enti Desmond from Michelle Camp Nadia or the buy no 0534050199 and 0593406565 what the odi ba ye befa afa nkoma yetumi atwetwen ye eho na bibia nso aye fine edi amao. Pacho odi ni baby akasafi.
Me pacho me fefi majo.
Mommy.
Papa say.
Na bibia boko de.
Adum.
Matem pacho yenti we.
Me say na emra bibia e wo Ghanaian emra wo. Na me fi say sanka mmetime gina emra no so pa dia. Me fra ban. Ya papa John Dramani Mahama. Onfa nensi form. No mamra ne nyadwuma. Emra de o say papa. Na Ghana football and kasa siati you say de kono de tie se be bompa na se e bompa ye enso still enkoye sisi ebe ni den biem Apakan
ya semo
ntino if mu hwe se bia nkola na mu ba sisi am betimi abo ball na enu nso mu fo ni fanto fom
okay
se fo mu fo mu ni fanto fom
okay
aha na munyi ebia nkola ne bia mbetimi abo ama Ghana ko nanim kakra because as a football dey about from too much
mate
yo
yeah that's mama mpacha odi ni baby akasafi mpacha odi ni biem
amite
oh okay ashama mpacha enti
oh say town the town no ye ba ada 7 join so mo ye bibie ma ro de the best check the panel. The starter no go second and qualify that. Because so that time you call that 17 over 8 square na you call. And if you start you be yes and man no second and qualify. And the anybody bo the ball. Over 8 na you go first.
Oh okay.
And you be forced.
Okay. Mate yada se enso se obaye ewo honum. Yamfa last one na yamfancy 0534 050199 na 0593406565 last caller ne ba na yedi esi memfa kakra MP so ewo bruni kro so emfa ma odi ananwumre games koso ewo English Premier League no mena okase yesi akane sima aduasansia 36 minutes Aston Villa enshebie sanso na Bobo ko efene Tottenham Hotspur omun shebie na ebo 7:15 na Bobo ko a yefene Chelsea and Manchester United at the big game at the ebebwani na bibianso etumi ayefan no Chelsea and Bobo ko a yefene Manchester United 7:15 and as a big game no etumi ebaso yetumi edi wonkomo de achiro enso so ewo ho na endra Bobo kwa yefene Barcelona medican aka achiro omochi Bobo kwa yefene Espanyol ebo me kamienu a omo entumante officially no Barcelona and La Liga champions 2024-2025 season no Bobo Kwefene Barcelona etumi agye Eddie Esiomana so with 2 games to go Bobo Kwefene Barcelona already no omo ye champions ewo La Liga no ewo na Barcelona we ayomo 28 La Liga title omo etumi agye Eddie Esiomana so enso na Barcelona ewini eye domestic treble Spanish Super Cup omaje and Copa del Rey omaje and La Liga no omaje inti Hansi Flick no ne first season as Barcelona manager no wa complete domestic treble yet to me abon komo ediacho so far no La Liga title senate Real Madrid eguso dikan ebane La Liga omo no omaje dodo 36 trophies and ekita omo and Barcelona 28 trophies Atletico Madrid 11 Athletic Club about 8 Valencia 6 and Real Sociedad 2 and so on Omoakano 1-1-1-1-1-1 and a twat so na Endra Barcelona Omoje La Liga no way ayomo 97th official club title and ometumaje La Liga 28 Copa del Rey 32 Spanish Super Cup 15 Champions League 5 UEFA Super Cup 5 UEFA Cup Winners' Cup 4 Club World Cup 3 Ivaduate Cup 3 and a League Cup and so maji 97 official trophies in 125 years for Bobo Kwefene Barcelona. I don't want some the amount officially no Bobo Kwefene Real Madrid and English Premier League team ye from Bournemouth I agree a deal. Now Bobo Kwefene Real Madrid 8 you have 50 million pounds in installment on betuan in kakran na omode afa Spanish 19-year-old center back ye friend Dean Hudson Edinef Bournemouth na Dean Hudson Ebano obe sign a 5 years contract until June 2030 and the ama Bobo Kwa ye friend Barcelona anti Dean Hudson menoka se wayan medicals e London NCBA obe sign a contract 5 years as new Real Madrid player or center back intini ekika kwe de Alaba nom ene Jesus Valeo numani ade de dodo na ebeko na bibian so etuma e kama so far no Alexander Arnold Trent of Liverpool ba Zabi Alonso manager of Leverkusen oba and Dean Hudson and so your center back of Bournemouth on so eba and more signings Real Madrid and so beye ewo na Jeremy Ejekum Frimpong Ghana ni na so bo Edema Holland national team no osina kanima buyer for Leverkusen oni me say Trent Alexander-Arnold efi Bobo Kwefene Liverpool ono no ba na wa be replace Trent Alexander-Arnold right back position Bobo Kwefene Liverpool na de one de aka to na bro na bibia aye dando Liverpool agiatum ni release cross Leverkusen 35 million euros no Liverpool ebetia na personal terms and aka 1 or 2 things bia Liverpool sort out with Jeremy Frimpong and Chebiano anko si o chine nwumre announcement no ebeba se Bobo Kwefene Liverpool I agree everything with Jeremy Frimpong and Leverkusen almost sign Abrantia ye fene Jeremy Frimpong ye don some edema Bruno Fernandes efi Portugal a midfielder body Manchester United player of the season 2024-2025 na call edema Bruno Fernandes na we ni 4th timer Bruno Fernandes Manchester United player of the season ni amidi tu mesrebo no Cristiano Ronaldo Portugal for captain and the OPM Anas Saudi Arabia ena osina kan na Cristiano Ronaldo once again in the year 2025 so far no only the highest paid athlete na okikani earnings nyina boma $275 million abrabone de bibeje biampa ye radi nyangopo nipa ba ko $275 million Cristiano Ronaldo ni the highest paid athlete in the world 2025 na we na 3rd year in a row and saadi and Kodima Cristiano Ronaldo abrabone bibeje bimu
Ronaldo ba no bobo na yede
me ayam
under 15 no na masa we any kwanza okọ na ye bribre ye twitwa na hu
nipa ba ku sika bebrebe nyina nti ode yede on be ma o Marion bie o Marion becomes the main fan
na so na o sports o kra na nka ben no
na so na o producer
and okay
on all Ronaldo number
direct contact
on of Ronaldo my
so chino be ma je ni interview na obisan
ye bisa se scanning no de ya no mere zigi bia no fa ntu anu ma
That Ziggy Ronaldo bo no twenachi. But ade ba kwa ya no. no jisha no si o ye hye no ya hye no obeje
na o kakra o kakra na odi be didi no na odi tu anu masa zigi won ska Ronaldo je IT ya den so Saudi Arabia o maje league no Benzema Ngolo Kante Fabinho no o maje league na wa Saudi Arabia nti abusia ye de asi ye ko nyame ya adom o kina no pa non kron 9 am ekosi 12 noon ye beba na ye di DL Power Sports no e di ababe to aso na wani aye ko ye wunya bibia obeka enso microphone manim na wo membia obesi dan we yi wo ano ebusia yem fasida ma DJ Mario ode yenko Facebook and YouTube ma wunya bi hwe kwame afum nso kan ma ye den nsem no ebai Bismarck edu say what in nkamen so ye frema yensu ano de share apakan GH the blazer ki Bismarck ye ko brand person kan bibi membi ma no
ni kwa so kan kasabo ahye ni
so person be yi no ano
here necessary
zigi na ntizan
Apakan at saying
nyame adome wo ye na won so
me chia with you for na imre
omojo so
mabadwuma
yeah that's it
now what's the day
Ronaldo
nya no me mas bisa what's the day
me ga
yanjrum bibi dia what's the day
me say Ronaldo enyeska no na mu twa na chi na mu lose ska
Bismarck unse ana ye wasem bi ye kase bose ebinim ho a omanimu sakroma
ba mo nche nkokọ
obi so wa enu di as innocent bi enu na oh yeah no oh yeah say hey so bi ani ye
na mo nche sa
na mumu she chira mumu o ma mo Ghanaian players no butcha bet we mo
me ntwa bi da
o jai
o da bi mi no kra na me ka
o jai Bismarck gidi
o me ntwa bi da
Bismarck kra nyu ni na me
no kra me no
Bismarck kra nyu ni na me na say obu anya app kwa de twa uti bi wura ba bi o twa
na paper show botu
last wo abre we bi na paper show botu so no oni phone kra so no paper say kra ro
zigi adwuma na edin won
adwuma na edin o
ebirum tumi nya akoma yare
boys ni say krata sam de ede say nya danka
last me hwe video bi wo
krata sam nya danka ban for tax nto so
okay
ede papa
no de
the boy said
ede last me hwe video bi wo Facebook na boy bi ye dinu na enho abufo na ode ne nsa hwe ni TV mu apa na me say adwuma bone na mo ye ne
oh adwuma bi arexo
enti na mo ya mo say bet responsible ya hwe yi
adwuma bi na me nya sure say be e bi Apakan wa ma me sika be 1 billion 7 na me akotwa bet utwa bet
ebinim ye o
enu no
school for ni bi do
mo na hwa obetwa uti ahye wanum enu no hwa a say obetwa uti ahye wanum
okay
nti ensa say sika anya wo de ya no
memfa nkotwa
that is it akwada sika obrad sika beja na so akoma mege
munsua meni o Mario ye bi ye monfa meni
wala ba say omo bra edi ana obi di sika beja no so de ko ala kocha ne ge no so e ne bet de ne
ni nyina nya de papa
ente no so e bet wa bet
na
na fi ada o
Sami wo
ana pe mi so de bike twam no bo me on frame na me so tuga oh Sami you too much